At Sunaya Banga Farm, the sun rises on new possibilities every day, and you are invited to be part of it. Located in Odagwa Etche here in Rivers State, you can come invest in a plot or more. A plot goes for just 750,000 naira, which include all documentations, making it hassle-free and simple. With each plot, we handle planting, maintenance, and security, ensuring your investment is nurtured into a thriving oil palm plant. Expect a 50 to 72% annual return on investment starting from your first harvest. Now, that is real growth you can count on. This one no be just farmland though. This one a massive investment opportunity where they wait for you to come grab am. Join the many who have secured their future with the Sunaya Banga Farm. Take action today and reap your reward tomorrow. For more enquiries and site inspection, kindly dial the numbers displayed on your screen.